Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of prehistoric life. In this video, we'll take a journey back in time to the Paleogene period after the extinction of the dinosaurs. Join us as we discover the incredible range of life forms that emerged after the catastrophic asteroid impact, including strange and wonderful creatures that roamed the land, air, and sea. Millions of years ago, the Earth was rocked by a catastrophic event, a giant asteroid impact that wiped out the non-avian dinosaurs and many other species. But from this devastation emerged a new world, one that would be shaped by the survivors of the apocalypse. In the aftermath of the extinction, mammals and other small creatures began to thrive and diversify, eventually giving rise to the incredible range of life forms that we see on Earth today. The landscapes of the world were transformed, with vast grasslands and forests spreading across the continents and providing new habitats for a host of different species. Join us as we explore the Earth after the dinosaurs, a time of incredible change, innovation, and survival. During the Paleogene period, the planet was much warmer than it is today, with tropical forests spreading across the globe and the sea levels much higher. The earlier Paleogene was characterized by the proliferation of mammals, birds, and reptiles, many of which were quite different from the species we see today. With the huge dinosaurs now out of the way, mammals could exploit the planet's resources for themselves. Within a few million years of the asteroid impact, the fossil record shows an explosion in mammalian diversity. In the oceans, the first animals to appear after the dinosaurs were ammonites, which were relatives of the modern-day nautilus. Other early animals on Earth after the extinction of the dinosaurs included birds, reptiles, and fish. Over time, these animals adapted to their specific habitats and food sources, changing in size and shape. For example, whales evolved from a terrestrial ancestor that lived around 50 to 52 million years ago, and gradually became better adapted to life in the water until they became the fully aquatic whales that we know today. In the oceans, Megalodon, a giant prehistoric shark, was a top predator and is estimated to have grown up to 108 meters in length, making it one of the largest known sharks to have ever existed. Did you know that during the time of the Megalodon, there were other amazing prehistoric marine creatures that existed too? For instance, there was the BASILOSAURUS, a giant whale that lived during the Eocene period and was longer than 15 meters. Then there was the Leviathan, an even larger prehistoric whale that lived during the Miocene epoch and had massive teeth. We also had the Dunkleosteus, a huge fish that lived during the Devonian period and was known for its powerful jaws and bony armor. Another fascinating creature was the Mosasaurus, a type of marine lizard that lived during the late Cretaceous period and was one of the largest and most successful marine reptiles ever. And let's not forget the ARCHELON, a sea turtle that lived during the late Cretaceous period and was one of the largest known turtles to ever exist. These are just a few examples of the amazing diversity of aquatic life that evolved and adapted during prehistoric times. As for our own ancestors, fossil evidence shows that early primates had small bodies, long tails, and grasping hands and feet, which were useful for climbing and foraging in trees. If you enjoyed this video, please show us some support by liking and subscribing for more videos in the series.